Earthquake downtown DC. Look, popos everywhere. Look at all these people.
Nigga, we taking pictures like this shit is exciting.
Look at this shit. Look at all these people. We're trying to get back to uptown. I don't want to be in downtown. Oh shit. Fire trucks.
Got you, bitch.
Move up, dude.
Go, motherfucker. You look good.
This is crazy. This is fucking ridiculous. Look at this shit. Whoa, don't get hit. This is fucking chaos. God damn. Off we go, off we go. Some shit happened downtown. I don't know what the fuck happened downtown, but
Nah, nigga, I ain't picking you up.
and it's like I don't know what the fuck happened downtown, but shitload of cops, fire trucks and shit. I think the Capitol fell or some shit. I don't know. It's crazy. Never seen DC like this.
Nah, dog. Shit is crazy.
Look, more cops.
All the lights are just blinking.
All the lights are fucked up.
They should have hacked the fucking system, dog.
The phones are not working. I can't be on Facebook talking shit.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, nigga,
Let's make this happen.
we gonna get hit. Whoa.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Y'all motherfuckers. These motherfuckers don't know how to drive. She look good as shit.
Oh, let's see the sexy bitch. Where's she at? Where's she at?
Where you going, motherfucker?
Oh my god. DC, when it has an earthquake, it gets wild. Look at all those people.
Damn, dog, I gotta get that.
God damn.
Shit.
Look at all these
My
people.
phone is fucking up.
Damn. The whole fucking park gets filled. Nigga, don't crash.
Nah, dog, I got you, dog. Damn. Oh, yeah, nice time for my phone to freeze.
Damn.